Understanding relative clauses. The magic of who in English grammar. Hello there, language lovers. Today, we're going to dig deeper into the world of English grammar, focusing on defining relative clauses, especially the usage of the word who for people. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use who in both subject and object positions. So, let's get started. Just to refresh our memory, defining relative clauses give us essential information about the noun they refer to. These are the type of clauses that help us know precisely what or who is being referred to. One of the common relative pronouns we use in these clauses is who, and it's used for people. When who is used in the subject position, it is the doer of the action in the clause. The action is the verb that follows who. For example, the man who lives next door is a doctor. Students who study hard usually get good grades. In these sentences, who is the subject of the verbs lives and study, respectively. On the other hand, who in the object position is the receiver of the action in the clause. It comes after the verb. But here's a handy hint. In defining relative clauses, we often leave out who in the object position. Here are some examples. The woman who I met at the conference was really inspiring. The boy who you saw at the park is my nephew. In these sentences, who is the object of the verbs met and saw, respectively, but we often omit it. When you're reading or writing, and you're unsure about whether who is in the subject or object position, here's a quick trick. Look at the verb that follows who. If there's a verb immediately after who, then who is in the subject position. If not, then who is likely in the object position. And remember, you often can omit who in the object position in defining relative clauses. And there you have it. You now have a better understanding of how to use who in subject and object positions in defining relative clauses. This is a vital part of mastering English grammar and will definitely make your communication clearer. Practice using who in different sentences and see how much it enhances your English language skills. As always, keep practicing and keep learning. Until next time, happy studying!